Start by opening the YouTube app. Sign in with your account to access your channel settings. Navigate to your channel by tapping on your profile picture. This will lead you to the account settings. Once in settings, find the monetization tab. This section is where the magic happens. Make sure your channel is eligible for ads by reviewing the requirements and enabling monetization. If eligible, you will see options for ad formats. Choose what suits your content best. Finally, save your settings to ensure ads appear on your videos. Congratulations! Return to your account and select Video Manager to monitor which videos can run ads. Review the performance of your ads. Check metrics like views, clicks, and revenue. Based on performance, adjust your ad settings. This is crucial for optimizing earnings. Consider experimenting with different ads to see what resonates with your audience. Keep an eye on trends to stay ahead and maximize your content's visibility. And there you have it. You're now ready to monetize your videos like a pro.